my dad has his own ways of distributing his time.
Akayikhombisi inequality. He kind of like shares his time.
He makes sure that he sees us every day. Every day he comes. Even when it's not his night to sleep over, he comes to see us.
Yo, wow. I don't know how he does it, but that's how good he is.
Into enza sijabule mfika ubaba ngoba uyasinakekela ubaba wethu.
Ngiyaspoila so ayikho into esigayithoni nje sivunayo.
Sithengela izinto ezinhle. Sithengela ukudla.
Okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bengakulindele lo ngiyabonga.
He's a good, wise man.
Kaze kube lula endleleni ezindlela sihamba being a leader kuthina siyakuhlupha kakhulu siyahluphana nje kuyalena sometimes ngizibuza ukuthi amandla angaka wathatha ukwazi ukumela thina sinje siyakuthanda kakhulu
ekhayeni lilonke ubaba right nasezinganeni zethu uNkulunkulu nje akubusise.
You are the best dad and you are so brave. No man will ever replace you. We love you so much that we will die for you.